Hello everyone, my name is Justin. This is my third discussion board, so let's go ahead and get into it. All children have different learning styles. This is well known to teachers, but yet some lack the ability to actually initiate it into their teaching strategies. Children can be visual, audio, or even hands-on learners. This meaning that each child learns best with one of these three categories. So a great way to integrate these three learning methods would be a hands-on project. For example, let's say I'm teaching addition. I can start by simply talking about addition. What is 2 plus 2? What happens when I put 5 cats with 3 cats? How many would there be? Examples like this would be great for the auditory learners. Then I could shift to the smartboard and visually show what the problem looks like. A great tool I would use is the dominoes with the colored dots on them. I would put a domino with 2 dots on it and then say put another with 5 dots on it. This way the children can visually see where and how I am getting the answer. Then to put it all together, I would do a hands-on activity. So all the children would get little red coins, and I would say create the problem 1 plus 2. While saying the problem, I would also write on the board to help out the visual learners so they can see it. And it's the child's job to create the problem with the coins and then find the answer as well. I feel like this would be a great way to integrate all the learning styles into one lesson. Graphic organizers play a huge part in the learning environment, especially for visual learners. For visual learners, these graphic aids put everything into perspective altogether. I'm a visual learner, so anytime I can see something in person, I understand it so much more. It just makes a lot more sense to me. Another great thing about graphic organizers is you can hang them in your room for the students to refer to at any time. A great example is a times chart when learning multiplication. I know when I was in elementary school, this helped me a lot. Just being able to look at like 6 times 7, it was a lot more efficient than someone just repeating it to me and trying to get me to memorize it that way. Even if the student is not a visual learner, they can still get a lot out of it because it's always there for reference real quick. I also added about the accommodations of learning styles. Teacher accommodation for learning styles can be hard, especially the more students you teach. I think a good way to accommodate all the learning strategies in the classroom is to team up with other teachers. Most of the lessons will be the same for teachers teaching the same topic. So you could divide into 3 groups out of all the teachers you have. 1 group for audio, 1 group for visual, and 1 for hands-on teaching. So basically each teacher designs their lessons around their learning strategy, and then once they're finished, all the teachers come together and share their lessons. So this is going to save a lot of time for the teachers, yet be super effective. So that's my discussion board for number 3. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Hope to hear back from you all. Thank you.